Want to upload music or radio show fast without clicking around in the browser? In this video, I'll show you how to use FileZilla to upload content directly to your TTT Radio Network station. Hey, I'm DNA, the owner of TTT Radio Network. We give you the tools to manage your station your way. And if you want a quick drag and drop solution to upload music, FileZilla is what I recommend. FileZilla is a FTP client. It basically lets you upload large amounts of music all at once pretty quickly. And you can organize your files from your computer to your station and from your station to your computer. Let's download FileZilla. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you click the link, it'll bring you to this page. You're gonna wanna click Download FileZilla Client. If you have a PC, you're gonna wanna click this green button, Download FileZilla Client. If you have a Mac, you're gonna wanna click one of these two X's. I have a PC, so I'm gonna click here. Oops. And then you're gonna select this download button right here, and it's gonna download. So let that download. We're gonna head on over to the TTT Radio Network dashboard, so make sure you sign in. And we're gonna grab the information you need for FileZilla. So scroll down to Settings, click Settings, scroll down to the bottom, and under FTP settings, this is the information you're gonna need for FileZilla. The next thing we're gonna do is open up FileZilla. Once you open up FileZilla, it's gonna look a little confusing, but I promise you we're gonna get through this. That information from TTT Radio Network is gonna go in that top bar. So your host, your username, your password, and your port, you're gonna wanna put that in there and click Quick Connect, and then click OK. So this left side is your computer, all the stuff on your computer. This right side is all the stuff on your station. And all we gotta do is drag and drop. I'm gonna show you exactly where to drag and drop. So the first thing you wanna do is click Media, then click Server 1. Your station, when you first start it, will have none of these. None of these will be here, and that's okay. I'm gonna show you. So now we have to go to our computer side and find the music that we wanna put on our station. I'm just gonna go over and grab this reggae and dancehall folder. I'm literally just gonna click it and I'm gonna drop it over here, and it's gonna start working. Literally, it's uploading the station. It's uploading right to the station. You see how fast that's going? It's so fast. We'll let that finish downloading, uploading, and then I'll show you where it goes. Okay, once it's done uploading, you're gonna head back on over to your TTT Radio Network dashboard, and I'm gonna show you where those songs went. On the left side here, click Playlist. And remember, I uploaded a reggae and dancehall folder. I scroll down and it's right here. These are literally the songs that I just uploaded. They automatically go into the playlist. Now you're uploading music like a pro using FileZilla. This method saves you time and gives you more control over your station. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on how to add jingles. Sign up today at tttradionetwork.com. Next up, I have a video showing you how to add shows and music 24/7 with our built-in scheduler on TTT Radio Network. I'll see you there.